Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to refund on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First of all, in order to make full refunds with DoorDash, either go to Order Rate page and from the top right corner, tap Get Help. Or in case it's not showing this option, then from the Order section, select the order with which you have the issue. Similarly, tap Help. Choose the reason, what is wrong with your order. If bad quality food delivered, something missing, late order delivery or something else. In my case, item is missing, so I will go with this option. Now, select what is missing within the order, enter description, add photos, and then submit. Finally, select where you want to get a refund, whether in DoorDash credit or at original payment method, and you will get the refund. So that's basically how you can refund on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.